Coming back to the next class, children, as I already said that we have seen here that we people are going to learn about the addition operation. Now in the same with the addition operation, we are going to see further methods. First method, we have seen that without carrying any number, we are going to add the numbers. Okay, the same thing now with carrying numbers. If it is more than 10 number, or if it is more than tens value, so in those places we have to carry the number and we have to add the number. So that method we will see you. That also ones place carry numbers, tens place carry numbers, and both the place carry numbers. Like that the methods are there. Each one example I'll show you here. So you can see here adding 3-digit numbers carrying over the ones place. From ones place, if it is more than 10, means 6 plus 8, then it will become more than 10 value, right? If it is 6 plus 2, it is 8, means it is less than 10 value. So directly you are adding and keeping the answer. But whereas now in ones place you have a 6 plus 8, means what happens? It is more than 10. So in those cases you people have to carries the 10. If means 6 plus 8, what happens? It is 14, you think so. Okay, if you add and if you see there, it will be 14. So what happens? 14 directly you can't keep the number there. So 14, in 14, which is ones place number in 14? 4. So 4 you have to keep there, 1 you have to carry to the tens place there. Like that you have to carry that previous number to the previous place value, and you have to add the previous place values, and together you have to keep the answer there. Like that we people have to do the method here. So we will see here. Okay, this example you can see here, no, like this. The same thing as we done in the previous one. Ones means it will be a single, only six dots. 5 means tens place. So that each one stripe will be with the 10 blocks, means tens place. So 5 stripes are there. Like that only. Hundreds means 1 is there. So 1 full sheet which is having 100 small boxes. Okay, like that, hundreds place. So like this you people have to take all the values to their particular place values, and you have to write the answer here by adding with carrying over to the ones place. From ones place to the next place you have to carry over there. Okay, and the most important thing, when you are writing, the sequence of writing should be clearly, see, one below the other number, below 6 8, below 5 2, below 1 1. And the same thing when you are writing answer also, ones place, tens place, hundreds place, to that particular places you have to write the values. What happens if you mismatch there, front and back, or congested,ly if you write there, what happens if you when you are going to do calculations or further you are practicing there, you will be having confusions there. So instead of writing 284, you'll be writing as a 248, or you'll be writing as a 482. Like that, something will be confusion. Or 4 will be in tens place and 8 will be in hundreds place. 2 will be the other place there. One's place will be empty there. So you people have to follow the sequence of writing each value, each number, each digit to their particular place values. So we will see the examples now, children. Okay, the first example is given there. First one, and you can see there 156 plus 128. This is the first example. Okay, and you have to write according to their place value. As I said you that hundreds, tens, ones. Okay, don't get confusions. Now in hundreds, first value is 1 is there. So 1 sheet will come there. 100 boxes. And tens plus 5 is there, 5 stripes will come. And ones plus 6 is there, 6 dots. Like that only. 128 also same. 100 square units, 1 sheet will come there, right? 1 blue sheet. And next in tens place you people have 2 there, that is 2 tens, so 2 stripes. And in ones place again 8 you have there, 8 dots, means 8 square units. Like that you people have to take the things there. Then you have to add. We will see the addition now. So can you see there how it is taken there? In this way you people have to take the values there. 156 plus 128. And what you are going to do here? Addition. The operation addition you have to follow there with carrying from ones place to the tens place. Okay, we will see the steps how they are adding there. So you can see there which place we have to, right, ones place, because always when you are writing you will write it from hundreds place, but when you are reading Reading also, you are reading from hundreds place. One thing is most important, that when you are doing the calculations, when you are identifying the place values, you have to do it from the right side, that is ones place. When you are reading from hundreds, 156, left you are using. But when you are doing the calculations, when you are writing in the book, you have to write it from ones, tens, hundreds, okay, from the right side. And the calculation also is done from the right side, that is from ones place, okay. Now 6 plus 8 is given. Add the dots there. 6 plus 8. First you take 6 plus 8 means 8 further counting. Count on your fingers. 6 you keep it in your mind. 8 you hold in your fingers and count now. After 6 what you will get? You will get 7. So 6 plus 8, add 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So you got 14. And what you have to do is, 14 means in 14 which is a ones place? 4 is ones place. You have to write 4 in ones place. And where 1 will go? Yeah, right. 1 will go there to the tens place. See, the circled one you have to count. So what you got? 14 there. In this way you can put in a rough column also, you can count there. Or else if you are familiar with your finger countings, you can do the finger countings also. So what happened? 4 is in ones place and 1 is in tens place. That all values of 10 became one stripe there. So it went to the tens place there. Full one set of 10 square units. It became tens place. So it is shifted to the tens place. You can see there beside green color it went, because 4 is ones place, so it is left in 4 place only. 1 is in tens place, so all 10 values went to the tens place there. Like that only you have to do in the calculation only. So it changed to the yellow to green, that one's value, right? The 10 value now it changed to that green color value, because it shifted to the tens place there as a carry one. So you can see that was the value 14. It is circled there. You can see there. That was the value of 14. So it shifted to the tens place. 10 went there. 4 left to the ones place. So that how it is written in the calculation part. 6 plus 8, 14. 4 in ones place. 1 to their tens place. Below the 2. Means either you can take it top of the 5 or you can take it as the below of the 2 also. However you want, you can. It is left on you, the steps how you consider carrying over. It can be written on top also, it can be written in down also. Below, up above the 5 or below the 2. Okay. So that now it went to the tens place. In tens place how many are there now? 5 plus 2 plus 1. Carry 1 also is there. So you have to add together now in tens place. So 5 plus 2 plus 1. You have to add that. Now count how many are there inside the circle. How many green lines are there? Tens place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 upper one. Plus 2 plus 1. The behind, below one. That is 3 stripes. So 5 plus 3 it will become 8. So you got the value 8 there. And where that 8 should go now? It goes to tens place, because 8 tens are there. So it goes to tens place there. Next what you are adding? Yes, you are going to add hundreds place. That is 1 plus 1. So 1 plus 1 in hundreds place, it will become nothing but the 2 blue sheets. So you can see there what it is, hundreds place. In hundreds place how it is given there? You can 2 sheets. So 1 plus 1 it will become how much? Yes, you will get 2. So that 2. Where the 2 goes now? Correct. It goes to hundreds place. So what is the answer now you got? 284. Like this you have to take the carryover from ones to tens place. This is ones to tens place carryover system method here. Okay. I hope you understood this concept. So when you are writing in your book, how will you write? As I said you that one below the other sequence should be followed there. 156 plus 128. So ones place, tens place, hundreds place, one below the other should come correctly there. As I already said you people. Okay. So now if you add, what you will get here? So 6 plus 8 is 14. 4 should be written there. 1 should be carried to the behind place, tens place. Now in tens place what you got? 5 plus 2 plus 1. It will get 8 there. And again next third place, hundreds place, that is 1 plus 1, 2. So you'll get the answer correctly. You have done the job there. Your work is done. Now we'll see the next example, second example. Okay, this is the second example. 124 plus 206 plus 165. This is your homework to complete it in your maths homework book. Second question. For first method means for ones place to tens place carry over method. This is the one example I am giving you. You should do this. Okay. I'll explain you the one more. Two place values carrying system. Okay. Okay, here is the one more 3 digits addition with the 3 numbers. Okay, here it is here. Now here ones place you are not carrying, you are carrying it from the tens place to the hundreds place. In previous one, from ones place you will add, you will get more than 10 numbers, so you will carry to the tens place. The same thing now, you will add the tens place number and you will get more than 10 value, so that will be carried to the hundreds place. This is the one more method. We will see this. You can see the question here. It is given 184 plus 105 plus 140, and even when you have 0, how to add also. I'll explain this, you can see. And second example, you can do it on your own. Already I showed you the question there in your maths homework book. Children, when the homework is given, just pause the video and copy the question to your book and do it in your maths homework book. Don't ask for a separate questions again. Already in the video only I'll be explaining there, and I'll give you what kind of values or what kind of answers you people have to do. I'll be instructing there only. So follow the video, children. Okay, you can see there 184 means one blue sheet with the 100 square units, and in tens place 8 are there, 10 units cube there, right? So this is 10 stripes, and once 4 are there, 4 dots or 4 square units you can take it, or 4 dice you can say, or you can say dents. Okay, so like that. Again same for 105, one blue sheet, that is whole 100 units, and tens 0 is there, so it is no value there, so just it will be 0 tens place. And again in ones place 5 are there, 5 dots or 5 dice. So you can see, and the third value is 140. So one blue sheet and 4 tens value, 4 stripes, and 0 is there ones place, so no need of writing there. That place will be left gap, because when you are counting and putting there all the numbers, you people have to count those tens place, ones place, hundreds place. So you will collecting those things from there, or dents from there, or dice q square units from there. So that place when it is 0 given, it will be left empty. Okay, and what you are going to do, you are adding, means addition, operation addition you people have to take plus. Okay, now we will add the each one one's place. Okay, so one's place, as I already said you that, remember, while adding, doing the calculation, go from the right side ones place, right? Now 4 plus 5 plus 0. 4 plus 5 plus 0 means how many dot square units are here? Just go to the yellow dots there. You can see how many are there. 4 plus 5 plus 0. So 4 plus 5 means, count on your fingers, 4 plus 5 will become 9. Very good. So in ones place you got 9. And where you have to write that 9? In a ones place only, in the calculation part, while adding the number there. 4 plus 5 plus 0 is there now. Below that itself 9 you have to write in a ones place. So next, now tens place you have there. Tens place what it is given? 8 plus 0 plus 4. So means in tens place you can see there 8 green stripes are there, and second one gap is there, no, nothing is there, 0 value. And again in third one it is 4 is given, 4 tens are there. So 8 tens plus 4 tens, you have to add it. 8 tens plus 0 tens plus 4 tens. So what it will be there? So 8 tens plus 0 tens plus 4 tens. If you add, count on your fingers and write the answer now. 8 plus 4, 8. After that next counting, 9, 10, 11, 12. The 4 fingers, right? So 12 you got. So how will you write 12 here? The 2 should be written into which place? Tens place. And 1 should be carried to the hundreds place. We'll see there. You'll understand here. Because 8 stripes, 8 tens and 4 tens. If you add, it will become 12, it will become 12 tens. 12 tens means, if you see the value, I'll show you here. It became 12 tens. So you can see there 12 tens it became, right? So if you see there, it will be starting like as a each value there, tens, 20, 30, 40, 50 means tens place values are there. So 12 tens means it will become 120. Very good. So 120. 120 means 100 plus 20. So in tens place we need 20. It will be there 20. But whereas the 120, no, that 100 will be shifting to the hundreds place, because all 100 values will be in the hundreds place. As we said that we got 12, no, in that 1 will be carried to the hundreds place from tens place there. So 120 means 100 will be shifted to the hundreds place there. 20 means the tens place 2 will be left there only. You can see hundreds, tens, ones. Like this, you people have to understand the concept, children. So see, now it is divided. All it became 100 sheet. That green sheet will be changing now to the blue, and it will go the in ones place 0 is there, so not to worry about that. Tens place 2 will be there. 2 will be left in tens place, and 1 will be carried to the hundreds place. It will go there. So you can see there means behind at the bottom of the third place you can write there. As I said you that changed to the blue color, so it went to the hundreds place there. So now what it became, 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 carry, so it will become 4 there in that place. Okay, so now you can see there 2, 9 you got in one place, tens place you got 2, and one place as a hundreds, this 120, that will be means as you got 12, no, that 1 will be shifted to the hundreds place, so 2 will be left in tens place. Now what you have to do is you have to take the next value. See, in this way you people have to write, as you can see there. So add the third place means hundreds place you add 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So you get all together as a 4, and that will be written where, in the hundreds place. So you can see it became 429. Okay. Now that same thing when you are doing in the book, you can do it here. 1's place, 4 plus 5 is 9, 8 plus 4 is 12, 2 should be written there, 1 should be carried to the hundreds place there. Bottom you can write, or else you can write it on top also. It is left to you people how you understand to write there. Okay, because carry number should be written separately there. You can see there. Right? I hope this concept is understand now. 429, you got the value there, the answer. Well done, children. You completed this question also. 100 tens ones with the 3 digits, 3 numbers. Okay. As I said you that you have learned from ones place to carry to the tens place, and second method, tens place to hundreds place carrying over. Okay, now together you people have to learn that carry over to the tens and ones means ones place will be total number will be carried to the tens place will be carried to the hundreds place. Both the steps you'll add together, and you'll do the sum here, the calculation here. Sum means addition. Okay, so like that only we have to see the third one here. This method I'll explain you to the next one here.